Mr. Manoj Kumar?
Yeah.
Hi. I'd like to have a few minutes of your time. If you are free, I can talk to you.
Sorry, kind of tied up. Thank you.
Mr. Manoj, I'd like to definitely speak. It's very important for us. We'd like to know more about you and
Who are you?
would appreciate if you could spend a few more minutes.
What is it?
We are not from the press. We're just from a private company. So like.
Yeah, last people I wanted to talk to was press.
No, don't worry. We just want to have a few minutes of your time if you could spare it.
We have a smoking area around?
Yeah, it's right over there. Can
Yeah.
we sit there?
Yeah.
Thank you. So, Mr. Manoj, how was the conference?
These conferences of this kind, a lot of intellectual stuff happens, a lot of academic stuff happens. Once consumers aggregate on a peer-to-peer basis, just like you used to have Napster at some time, and Skype runs that way. Now we have to have a network of consumers who are peers to each other. That's been very much appreciated, and I think some of us believe here that it could solve a lot of unemployment problems in countries where it's needed most. We have already governments in different countries are considering this model. I'm going to have a lot of follow-up meetings on this. So that's what it is, and I think that's a new trend in consumer aggregation, treating consumers peer-to-peer.
Sorry to interrupt you. I'd like to know what's happening in India. I heard a lot about Speak Asia and a lot of issues related to that. So I'd like to know more.
What will you do with that? Okay, since you asked. Here, in any other country, with the kind of work we have done, we would have been national heroes. Okay, but then it's taking some time for people to understand our business model in India. In Bangladesh, the government has approved the business model. We're going to start in the month of December. All the licenses are in place. We are talking to the government in UK now, and I'm sure we'll have the similar permissions coming from government in United Kingdom. Now these governments understand, in spite of whatever negative publicity has happened for us in India, they understand that this kind of a consumer aggregation can make so much of difference to their economies, to their employment, and they're welcoming us with open arms. As India is concerned, I think I only would say that within the bureaucracy, within the police, within judiciary, I'm sure there are well-educated, well-informed officers, bureaucrats, judicial officers who will try to understand what we do. And this is going to happen sooner or later. And this company would do very well. I think it's going to be one of the major corporates of India very soon. But Wasif, I need to run.